Okay, kids, welcome back. We are going to do some math today, okay? So we are going to introduce the idea of multiplication, which you guys kind of should know about a little bit, but we are going to introduce it as addition, which is something that we've worked on and you guys all know how to do. So this should be an easy way to introduce multiplication, and you guys will be able to understand how to do it. So today, Miss McEwen, I'm gonna do it first. I'm gonna show you how to do it, and then we are gonna do it together, and then independently, you guys are gonna do a worksheet so I can see how we're understanding, okay? So let's start out. I have a bunch of counters here that are gonna help me figure out what our answer is and how to do it. I'm gonna try to show you, but it's a little hard with you being over there and I don't have a camera or anything to show you, so I'll try my best. You guys also all have multiplication sheets. This can kind of be like a check for you after we do it, so I would like you not to look at these until we've talked about it first, okay? Perfect. Okay, so here is my problem. Miss McEwen is going to have multiplication first. So if we had 3 times 4, okay? Does anybody know what our multiplication sign looks like? Yep, that's right. It looks like an X and 4. What else do we need? Yep, our equal sign. And then this will be where our answer goes, okay? So this is our multiplication, but we are gonna do it as an addition problem to figure out our answer, okay? So we have 3 times 4. So we are gonna need to break up this idea into groups for our addition, okay? So we are gonna have 3 groups of 4, okay? So one of these numbers is gonna be a group and the other one is gonna be how many groups and the number that's in the group. So to show you here, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. We all agree? That's 4. And then how many? So that's one group of 4, right? And I need how many groups? 3. So I'm gonna do it again. Make sure there's 4 in each group. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so I have 3 groups. This is our first number, and there's 4 in each group. Okay, so to get our answer, Miss McEwen is gonna count each one of these blocks that's up here. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me continue. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is our answer. So this is how I figured it out, but to write it as a multiple or as a addition problem, it would look something like this. So it would be 4, and we're doing addition, right? We're adding them together. It's a bigger number, we're not taking away. Plus 4 plus 4, right? 4 plus 4 plus 4, 3 times equals 12. You're right, good job. And I also could show you this with these. It's just a little harder. So I would have my 4 groups. I don't know if I can pick them all up at a time. 4 groups, okay? So you guys can use your little counters just like I did. It's just easier to show you this way. So now that Miss McEwen did it, we're gonna do it all together. You're gonna help me now that I showed you, okay? So our next one we're gonna do is 2 times 4, okay? So we'll write it up here. Our problem is 2, my multiplication sign, 4. We need to have our equal sign too, yep. And there we go. So what would be my first step? Yep, okay, so we need to have groups. So which way do we want to do it? Okay, so we need to use both these numbers. One of them's going to be our groups and one of them's going to be how many is in the group. Okay, okay, so somebody's telling me we're going to do, they want 2 in a group. Okay, so that's one group, right? We just have 2 right there. How many groups will we need though? Yeah, so we're gonna need more groups than just that, right? Because right now we only have 2, and that's one group. And we need, if we're using our 2s, how many groups are we gonna need? Yes, good job. And you guys should all be writing this too at your desks. Okay, so now do I have the right amount of groups? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good job. And we have how many in each group? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we're doing good. So now to get our answer, we're going to count all of these together to get 2 times 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer must be 8. So can somebody tell me how I'd write this as an addition problem? Good deal. So we have 2 in each group, right? Plus, yep. What's next? Good deal. You guys got it. Now what? Yep, equals 8. See, it's that easy. And you could also, again, use your manipulatives, and you guys can use these instead of drawing them out, whatever you want to do. Okay, good job. You guys are getting a good hang of it. We're going to do one more, and then you guys will do it independently. Okay. Our last one's going to be 3 times 3. What does my multiplication sign look like? Yep. And then I need what else? Good job. Equals blank. Okay. So what does Miss Lydia need to do now? Yep, I'm gonna need my groups. And since we have the same number here, well, it doesn't really matter anyways, but it doesn't matter which one I choose for my groups and my numbers, my groups. No. It doesn't matter anyways, but this one will have the same amount of groups and the same amount of numbers in the groups, right? So we'll have 1, you guys can count with me, 2, 3, okay? I need a new group, right? Yep. You guys tell me when I need a new group. 1, 2, and 3. Yep, new group. 1, 2, 3. Does that look right? Good job. And you guys can use your counters too. So now you can help Miss Lydia count how many we're gonna go across, right, to get our answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9 is our answer. Good job. And how would Miss Lydia write this as an addition problem? Yep. What's next? Plus sign, yes. And I need another 3, yes. And lastly, yep, another 3. Good job, guys. Equals, yep, they're the same. This is just another way to show this. Okay. Good job. You guys are doing great. So now you guys are gonna get a worksheet and do it independently by yourselves. I will be around, walking around the room if you need help. You guys will all have your manipulatives to use, your counters. So this is the worksheet, multiplication as repeated addition. And, oh, we already did one of them on there. So you can use your resources, remember what we did. And like I said, I will be around to help you. And then after you do that, we have another activity we're gonna do. It's gonna be multiplication stations, and I will explain that a little more after we are done with our worksheet. And I'll be around checking, but you can also come to me, and it's kind of like an exit ticket, so you'll be able to go after we get our worksheets done, and you'll be able to go to your multiplication station after you get your worksheet done. Okay, thank you.